In this video, I will show you how you can copy and paste on any Samsung tablet. Now to do that, first of all, just select the text which you want to copy. For an example, I will copy this text. Now just tap and hold on the text which you want to copy. Now as you can see, the selected text has been highlighted with blue. Now just drag these handles and select the text which you want to copy. As you can see, you also have the option for select all. If you have a page full of text and if you want to copy all the text, this option is useful. Otherwise, you can select the text manually just like that. Now after you select the text which you want to copy, then tap on copy from here. And after you've done that, now from here you can open any other app like the Notes app, and you can paste the copied text from here. As you can see at the top of the keyboard, you will find the copied text. But if you cannot find the copied text over here, just tap and hold on the cursor and select paste. And as you can see, this is how you can copy and paste using your Samsung tablet. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.